So when you shoot a video using a tripod, or you place your camera or your phone in a very stationary, stable place, not with your hand. I don't mean holding it stationary in your hand, you are still shaking. I mean using a tripod, a phone holder, or something, a stabilizer to keep your camera or your phone stable. When you shoot a video like that, you need the software Fspy to easily translate the real camera to your Blender 3D camera, because when you shot it with the real camera, you were pointing in a particular angle, in a particular position, in a particular distance from the floor, all of that, in a particular focal length. So what Fspy does is to look at your image and analyze the entire thing, and then approximate the focal length, the distance, the angle of however your camera was positioned when you were filming, and then translating all that information to Blender's camera. So let's go to our browser and go to fspy.io. Fspy.io, it's a free open source software, so you're not buying anything here. Let's scroll down to download. If you have never installed Fspy before, this is the process. Then you go down to Fspy setup 1.0.3. There are a lot of different links here, but this is the one you should click. So you have to download Fspy the app, and you also have to download Fspy the Blender add-on. Now when you have that downloaded, just find the file in your folders, double click it, and it should start the process for installing Fspy. Let's go back to our browser. Let's go back to Fspy's website and go down here, importing to Blender. For Blender users, there's an official Fspy importer add-on. Click on it, and then go to tags, and then click on this version, which is the version of the software you downloaded, 1.0.3. Then you would see this Fspy Blender 1.0.3.zip. Click on it, then you download it. This is the Fspy add-on that you would install in Blender. So go to your Blender project. This is a new Blender project, and then you remember how to install add-ons. Edit, preferences, add-ons. Then come here. If you are using version 4.2 above, it is here. It's in a different place in earlier versions. So click here, install from disk. Just look for an install button, then go find what you just downloaded. This is it down here, Fspy Blender 1. Perfect. So click on it and click on install from disk. When you search for Fspy, you should be able to see import Fspy project. So make sure this is checked here. Make sure this is checked, and save your preferences and get out of here.